All right, YouTube. So Paul Bates here at day 37. Market is down. Cryptos are up. They're actually moving up big time. And I think we're going to see a huge move here in the near future. Keto, I fasted till noon. And I'm going to continue on my keto here. My goal is to get down to about 180 pounds. I'm right now at probably 190-ish. So, and my brothers, man, they are just big. I have a twin brother. He's probably 260, and when you're carrying that kind of weight, it's just not healthy. So, and I feel better when I'm on the keto. I really do. So Daisy did go for a long walk yesterday, so we enjoyed that. Woo! You like that, huh, girl? Yes, you did. Hey, and also while I've got you here, please hit that bell, subscribe to the channel. What's this channel all about? It's about hopes and dreams, and in 2008, I had nothing, and here we are in 2020 going through a much worse crisis than we did in 2008. And in this blog here, I don't know how long I'll keep it going, maybe for years, who knows, because COVID-19 is not going to be over anytime soon. And I'm going to take advantage of every single situation I can, and I'm going to thrive in this situation. And in 2008, I was it's actually 2008 is when it started. And in 2010, I was living on a trawler down in Long Beach, California. And that's where I'm going to go. That's where this whole thing's going to leave me a multi-millionaire. And I know that. And so you guys can actually watch that unfold on this little daily blog right here. That's what this blog's all about, hope and dreams and what I can do for you. And it's not bragging. It's not showing off. It's you can do this. Anybody can do this. You need to get in front of what's going on right now and pay attention to really what's going on. Anyway, so another thing is yesterday I went to Costco and the price of gas just blew me away. I had to go to the gas pump, fill my truck up. $1.69 a gallon, if you guys can believe that. That was just unbelievable. And then while I was going to Costco, I installed my radio back into the truck here, and you guys can see right here. I just loved it. I don't know why. I just love my two-way radio, or not my shortwave radio. And I got my radio mounted here and using the folded metal bracket from Folded Metal, and it's just so much fun. I don't listen to the radio when I'm in the car. I pretty much just turn that on. And so now every time I turn the key on, it's on automatically. I love it. So next thing I want to talk about is my surgery. I have surgery coming up May 6th. So I will go in for surgery, and it's my foot surgery. I hope that I can keep my blog up during all of that, but we'll see. I'll get pictures. Now I walk around with a camera around my neck all the time now. You see right here, this is when I leave the door now. I leave this camera around me, and so I can take little pictures of what's going on throughout the day. So I'll have this with me now for as long as I'm doing the blog. Anyway, Paul Bates and Daisy, peace out. We love you guys. Practice your social distancing and be good out there. Try and stay out of trouble too. That helps. Love you guys. Bye.